All right, big news to share here today. We're officially going back into the manufacturing world. Self-production, facility number 1 here in Longmont, Colorado. We've got 35,000 square foot of space, plenty of room for us to grow for the next 4 to 5 years. We have digital pouch production, digital label production, and we're gonna be exploring the idea of producing other things when it comes to digital packaging besides just pouches, labels, and roll stock. We chose Longmont as that is where digital packaging unicorns come to grow. Can't wait to show you what this space is about. Not a lot on the inside yet, but where you'll see the vision and what we're getting ready to build out of here over the next 4 to 5 years. Follow me. Well, first, you get to check out our rad mountain scenes, showcasing what it's like to be here in Colorado in regards to the mountain biking, the skiing, after your entry into the space, which represents a little bit more of a back alley, underground feel. If you know a little bit about our company, there's a connection to underground manufacturing, underground print. As I shared, we really went for a minimalistic environment in regards to office space. You open up the door, 35,000 square foot of manufacturing warehouse hit you right in the face. A lot of room for us to grow. Really just at the beginning stages of putting equipment into the operation. I'll take you through what our workflow is gonna look like, which is what we'll call a horseshoe workflow. We've got 5 overhead loading dock doors. Raw material will come in. We'll then have warehousing all the way up until our press room. We're gonna be putting in press room walls here in the next 3 to 4 weeks. Our press room will be able to hold 4 HB Indigo mid-web presses, so anywhere from 25Ks to 200Ks. So raw materials will enter the press room as well as be stocked in this area here where they'll go into our lamination. Not a lot to see right now with the fact that our press is tarped up and waiting for startup here, but it'll be going live the week of July 6th. We're presently installing laminator number 1, which is a thermal laminator that will be utilized for our fast lane production. Fast lane meaning call it less than 2 weeks for stand-up pouches. We'll be installing laminator number 2 in about a month, which will go right here, and that'll be our solventless lamination, which we'll be using to produce large stand-up pouch production runs, call it anywhere from 25,000 to 500,000 units at a time with a 3-week turnaround time. So that machine will go here, and then we have future capacity planned for solventless laminator number 2, which would technically be our 3rd laminator in this operation. After going through lamination, we will enter our slitting department. As you can see, we've got redundant capacity with 2 slitters already in the operation. One will be used primarily for cutting pouch stock. The other will be utilized for making roll stock, as we've chosen to go the route of a more specialized machine for our clients that have form, fill, and seal automation, where we want to make sure they're getting the best quality product that we can produce. After we leave our slitting area, we then go into either packaging up roll stock to go out and shipped out the door, or in the case of our operation, I'd say 90% plus of what we're gonna be doing is taking it to our pouching department, where we have preformed pouch making, anywhere from child-resistant pouches to standard stand-up pouches to lay flat pouches with all the bells and whistles. You can reach out if you want to learn more about what we're doing there. We're about four months out from pouch machine number 2 arriving and 5 months out from pouch machine number 3 arriving. So before the end of the year, we'll have 3 pouch lines running at this facility. This area here, I'm building out calling it Pouch Alley. So this area will be able to hold 8 pouch machines. We plan to put in a total of 10 into the facility, and we have an intended capacity of up to 15 million pouches per month at capacity. We will also be offering labeling services in addition to label printing and die cutting. So for clients that are maybe not at the scale where they have the automation in-house, we have the automation here that we can send them pre-labeled packaging on jars, tubes, bottles, all different types of containers. So we'll do another video about that here in the near future. All right, so let me run you through what the 4-year plan looks like for this facility now that you've seen a little bit of what's happening here behind the scenes. In August, we'll be starting up manufacturing. We'll have 9 employees here at the company at startup. Over the next 4 years, we plan to install another 3 indigo presses and another 5 to 7 pouch lines. I believe in 2027 that this company will locally here will comprise of 20 to 25 people. And by 2031 or 2030, we're gonna be north of 50 people working here with us locally in Longmont, Colorado. The team and I couldn't be more excited for the launch of Vert Manufacturing. We would not be able to be at this stage with our company if it weren't for the key accounts who have put their trust and faith in myself, our team, and ultimately the Vert community here the past 3 years. We're incredibly grateful for that support, and we're incredibly excited to get ready to go out and pioneer what we believe is a new frontier in the packaging manufacturing world in America. Stay tuned for what's coming in 2027.